Hello everyone, welcome to or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Taylor. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because 2023 is about to be an amazing year. As you can see by the title of today's video, we are going to be diving into my 2023 vision board. I cannot believe I'm saying that, but I am just so beyond excited for the new year. I have made a vision board. I think this will be my fourth vision board. I started in 2020. I'm just going to run through like what came true and what like really came to life, and then I'm going to talk about my 2023 vision board and what I will be manifesting this year. I've mentioned this in prior videos, but a vision board is pretty much just something to motivate you, give you affirmations, and to strive towards those goals. I put my vision board right by my desk, so right when I wake up and while I'm working, I have something to admire and look at. I also have mentioned in my previous videos that I am a Christian, so I try to incorporate the fact that also I know that God has a plan set out for me. Whatever God has planned for me is actually what's going to happen for me. This is kind of just me setting out goals for myself and hopefully being guided in that direction and working towards the things that I put on my vision board. So we are just going to dive in. I want to show you guys my vision board from 2022. So weird to say that we're going to go into 2023, but I will walk you guys quickly through this and then I'll take this out of frame and we will start building my 2023 vision board. First picture here is just like a cozy work from home vibes. I do work from home a majority of the week and I love it. I feel like I am so productive at home. And then second picture is just healthy eating and healthy lifestyle. I feel like I did really great this year trying to balance out my diet, but really just lifestyle, making good choices with food. A little camera. I've vlogged a couple trips this year and I've just been really on top of making YouTube because that's really what makes me happy and what I love to do. Then we have a picture of almost like paradise, it kind of looks like. This is actually something that I didn't think would happen this year, but I did end up going to the Bahamas. It was kind of like a sporadic trip, but my family flew me out and I had an amazing time, so I got to see paradise and a beautiful island. Reading with some sunglasses. I felt like I was more into reading this summer. Then we have a little kind of social media emblem. I really thought I would be into Instagram in 2022. I like was really on top of it in the beginning of the year, but I am just a video gal. I love video and I don't find myself taking just like random static shots. I really want to try to be better at that. So like obviously my Instagram didn't grow, but I did start a new Instagram just to like refresh my life. I have a thing for TikTok as well. I didn't hit my goal. I wanted to hit 25,000 followers, but at the end of the day, I feel like I did a really awesome job getting into TikTok and landing a bunch of sponsorship videos, which I never thought would happen. That was really cool and I'm still very into TikTok. And we have a faith-focused quote saying nothing is impossible with God. We just have the 2022 background that I do and then a picture of me and my boyfriend Patrick. Then another kind of work from home vibes, but also I was thinking more so just growing my skill set in the social media influencer marketing world. I feel like I've just learned so much this year and I actually got promoted too, so that was really awesome. And then a Tesla. I put this on my board every year, but you'll see in 2023 I don't have that on my board. It was just something random that I really wanted, and I think at the end of the day I just want an electric vehicle or like a hybrid vehicle. This picture right here I talked about in my previous video, clear skin. I feel like I've nailed my skincare routine. That one definitely came true. And then this one here says taking care of yourself is productive. Tried to really be into self-care this year. I have a therapist. I've had a therapist, but she always tells me that I just need to slow down and focus on self-care, which I don't do very often, but that's something I'm still working on. Then there's a little picture of someone hiking, and I went to Arizona this year and went on some amazing hikes and really got to see an awesome part of nature. Then we have this girl doing an at-home workout but doing yoga. I actually tried aerial yoga this year and bungee exercise classes and trampoline exercise classes. A lot of this stuff did come true. I am very happy that 2022 is over. We just had a lot going on in 2022 and I'm ready for it to get out of here. I am gonna take this out of the frame and we are gonna start building our 2023 vision board. I'm gonna walk you guys through how I do this exactly, but I just purchased a poster board from Walgreens. Walgreens, if you want to sponsor me, I talk about you every year in my vision board videos, and I got photos printed at Walgreens as well. And as you can see by the squares, I really just like that uniformed look. That's just the type of person I am. I just print out 15 4x4 photos, and I'm gonna walk you guys through every single photo as I put them on my board. I do want to map out what I want this to look like before I tape them on. I just start with the upper left-hand corner and work my way down the board. Like I said, there is 15 photos, so I do a 3x4. First photo, I'm just gonna kind of show you guys while I tape these on. So first photo is a picture of a book, kind of just like an aesthetically pleasing photo. Like I said, every year I try to read more and more, and I do notice that when I'm reading, I am definitely more a relaxed person. Next, we have this dinner photo, and my inspiration for this was cooking more at home. My friends and I were just talking about this, that we love a dinner party. I feel like I want to just get better at cooking a nice meal and experimenting with more foods. I know this one is already gonna come true because I'm having a dinner party like the 3rd week of January with a couple girlfriends. Then a big one for me this year is just knowing that I'm not gonna have all the answers. Like I said, this vision board can say a whole lot, but I loved this little quote that I found on Pinterest. All of these were found on Pinterest, just to throw that out there. I just literally look up what I'm thinking and then I put aesthetic, so you get a cute photo. This one was just a quote, and it says, "It's okay to not have the answers because God does." I always think I should be finding the answers in my life, like in every aspect of my life, and I just love tying in a simplistic quote. It just makes the vision board look nice and clean, and having some type of writing visual is really great too, just to wake up and read and have that affirmation. I also want to call out really quickly that sometimes pictures don't print that great, especially if you're printing a written photo. So I will log on to Canva and create an Instagram square and type whatever quote I see and try to get the font right, because I don't know if you can see this, but it's very, very faint. This was the original photo that I found on Pinterest, so I just typed the text onto Canva and printed it myself. This next one is definitely a big goal of mine, and that is to hit 35,000 subscribers on YouTube. Kind of just a random number, but at the end of the day, I would just love to have a community of people that I can interact with. I know some people are like not into commenting, but I would love if you would comment. I love seeing that, and I love talking with people. So I know that that's kind of a big goal, but I really love YouTube, and like I said, I love looking back on these videos. If you haven't already, you should definitely subscribe. And my foot is falling asleep. This is not good. Next, we have a picture of a beautiful Pilates studio, and no, we don't have Pilates near where I live, so the goal is to try a Pilates class, because I've done at-home Pilates, which is so hard and so intense, but I really want to try a Pilates class with the reformer. Then we have this just stunning apartment view. I do hope to move out of my home. We shall see what God's plan is, but I would love a beautiful apartment. We have another really nice quote that says, "God is leading you somewhere, no matter how happy or sad you are, no matter what's going on in your life. Everything is the way it is for a reason. Have faith in His plan. God's got you." This one got me, and it's so true, and I needed that one on my vision board. Then we just have our little centerpiece. I just picked out this font and an ocean background. This one is very exciting to me and kind of just popped into my head, and I was like, yes, you know what? I'm gonna include that. And it's just a bunch of girls sitting at like a club resort, and I'm thinking like brand trip vibes. Honestly, I think this year has a lot in store. So one thing I really like doing on my vision board is having like tag some type of color pattern, and that photo that I just shared with you guys was like very pink and my board is very neutrals. So I actually just made it black and white and made like one other photo black and white, which is this one right here. Same type of thing, travel vibes, trip vibes. Speaking to neutrals, this is just a picture of a wardrobe, a very clean, organized wardrobe. I want to get in tune with my style this year, and I'm going to be working with a brand that has really awesome clothing and just basics. I just need more of that in my life. I need to become a minimalist and just have a capsule wardrobe. I say that every year, but I want to stop buying just random things that I know I'll wear once. I need to start investing in pieces that I will wear over and over again. Then we have a laptop computer looking out on a beautiful view. Travel work vibes, traveling hopefully. Then we have another quote. This just says, movement is medicine, fresh air is medicine, consistency is medicine, laughter is medicine. Just really, again, focusing on self-care. And I want to laugh a lot this year. Like, I am a goofball, I'm a big jokester, and I feel like I didn't laugh that much this year. I probably did, and I'm just, you know, being dramatic, but I just really want to have a great year, have a healthy, great year with great people in my life. Then, of course, we had to add a little camera. I found this one, and I don't know who you are, but I love your outfit. She has leather brown pants on, which I want to invest in, and a little camera for vlogging. And lastly, like I said earlier, travel vibes. I want to travel so much this year, even if it's little weekend trips. I gotta do it, and this is my motivator. I already have a couple trips planned, not booked, but they are planned, so I am so excited, and hopefully I can record all of my experiences this year. If you guys have any trips planned for 2023, let me know. Where are you going? I need ideas. I have a few places in mind. We are all taped on and it looks so cute, so I'm actually gonna cut the excess off right now so that way I can fit it into frame. I will be right back. The big reveal coming in 3, 2, 1. I literally love it so much. So sorry you can see the light. Hopefully that's a little bit better. I feel like this came out so good. I don't know if I mentioned this already, but I actually got this frame from Michael's. It's a floating frame, so I literally just cut the poster board and it kind of looks like it's floating in there. Then I just have the little Velcro strips that they're command strips that stick to my wall. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really do love making vision boards, and I love seeing the vision boards that you guys make and kind of like taking a similar idea and take on what you create. If you guys do create a vision board, definitely tag me on social media so I can see it. A couple of you guys did a few years ago and I just loved it so much, and I'd love to see what everybody's working for in the new year. This is just a very big motivator, and I hope you guys all have such an amazing year ahead. I hope it is successful and everyone is healthy. That is number one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. As you can see by this vision board, we have a lot of exciting things in store for 2023. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will talk to you all next time. Bye.